Hello, beautiful people. My name is Key, and thank you for tuning into this session of All in the Logs, our video series showing how companies are using Humio to address critical challenges and removing logging related roadblocks. Let's jump right in. Today's story comes from a web development platform company that offers hosting and serverless back-end services for web apps and static websites. As its user base grew to include Google, Facebook, Nike, and other top companies, this US-based organization began to notice performance challenges with its previous logging platform. Queries were timing out after about 30 minutes, causing immense frustration, and there was little to no room to grow at all. So that was a change needed. The principal engineer grabbed the wheel to architect the custom solution, but with a hodgepodge of log aggregation frameworks to manage, he and his team were spending way too much time fixing issues. That's when his CTO stepped in to intervene. This principal engineer said, "My CTO came to me and said, I need you to build our stuff, not a logging aggregation framework." With that being said, it was time to compare log management vendors. Splunk, Elasticsearch, and LogDNA all performed proof of concepts, but ultimately the organization went with Humio. Here's why. 1. Mean time to resolution. The original method of retrieving and working with logs was by leveraging the SSH method into a server and grepping the files needed, but the company scaled up. So this manual and inefficient tactic prevented its development and support teams from resolving issues quickly. With Humio, the company was able to access all of their log data and reduce the mean time to resolution. With access to every log, Humio answered their high cardinality question, closing potential gaps in business critical data. With Humio delivering insight into high cardinality data, the principal engineer realized that there were gaps not only in their previous logging solution, but also their APM platform. 2. Data cardinality. With Humio delivering insight into high cardinality data, the principal engineer realized that there were gaps not only in their previous logging solution, but also their APM platform. When relying on the APM tool for log searches, tags were a requirement. This dependency introduced both financial and performance constraints that threatened to cripple their business. The principal engineer says, if tags are used in our APM, it will kill the APM build and the system itself because most of it is time metric series stuff. So to test the performance differences, the principal engineer and his team conducted a search to identify unique IP addresses with the exclusion of tags in Humio. As a result, Humio was able to identify 1.2 million unique IPs. After being shipped into Humio, this web development platform provider's ability to regex, search, and tailor log events became available nearly instantaneously, without the high bills and without the outages. 3. Organizational collaboration. The company's support and sales team also use logs to address their individual needs. For example, if a customer reports an incident, support can use logs to triage and compile detailed context needed to collaborate with developers for bug fixes. With Humio, the principal's engineer and his colleagues are now able to see errors, check for what happens and when and where their place of origin starts, allowing for higher efficiency and better collaboration across the business. This web development platform company shows how using a real-time scalable log solution can deliver technical and financial benefits that ripple across an organization and out to its customers. But that's a wrap. But be sure to catch our next video by smashing the like button and subscribe to Humio's YouTube channel. You can uncover tons more by visiting Humio at our community site, aka The Nest, and by following us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And until we meet again, beautiful people, you all be safe and you all be blessed. We'll see you soon.